Making money online on YouTube is the easiest way to make money online, actually. Everyone should have a YouTube channel. Look at how much money I'm making. I'm not a Mr. Beast. I'm not a YouTube guru genius that is doing, full-time, 100 million views, but you don't need that. You can still grow and make money no matter what you're doing on your YouTube, even if it's small. You just need to understand what YouTube is. Look at this, 8,330 views in the last 48 hours. I haven't even uploaded a video in a week. Look at all of the videos that are getting me views while I'm sleeping and money I'm earning in my sleep. You can do the same. You have to change your beliefs. You might be thinking, oh no, I tried a YouTube channel before and it didn't pick up. Actually, I have a YouTube channel right now and it's not getting views. Just because you're failing doesn't mean it's not possible. It can be done. You just don't have the knowledge. I've had so many channels, like hundreds of videos across 10 plus channels across 10 years. And I kept failing until I actually figured out, okay, how do you make YouTube? How does YouTube work? How do you get views? YouTube is a search engine. Bare bones, right? Just like Google is, it's probably the second biggest search engine outside of Google. It gets hundreds of millions of views. Yes, you get videos on your homepage and you get curated videos, but you can also just search whatever you want. If I search best phone, I'm going to get videos, people telling me what the best phone is. If I want to search up best tractor, I'm going to get videos telling me what the best tractor is, which tractor I should buy. All of these are going to get views. All of them are going to get money. So YouTube is a place where whatever interest you have, whatever knowledge you have, whatever you can talk about or you like, talk about it. Someone else is either going to search and find it, or it'll come up on their homepage and they're going to be interested in it and they're going to click on it. You're getting money to talk about what you want to talk about, what you like. Just think about that. Imagine sitting on a call talking to your friends about Death Note. Death Note, I love Death Note. I love this, that. Look, I love how, this anime. Why would you do that only when you can make videos? Look, this guy's channel, I just found it. It's all about Death Note. Was Light really that smart? Is Light really a Shinigami? Kira is not close. Why L vs. Lelouch isn't close? It's all Death Note stuff. And he makes thousands of dollars. Look, 8,000 USD monthly earnings. Right? This is more than a full-time income. This guy, he does MMA stuff. It's all MMA. And you don't need to have crazy editing. If we click on this, it's literally just his face.
Chev can keep JDM on the ground.
It's just his face, and then he just puts images over and he talks over it. That's got 140,000 views. And the thing is, you want to keep making the same content again and again and again. You don't want to be a one-hit wonder. 15K, 32K, 45K, 140K. It's consistent. You can make so much money off of YouTube. It's the easiest way to make money online. So in summary, just pick something you like. For me, it was Islam, right? I loved Islam. I spoke about it heaps. I spoke about it to my friends, to my family. I can't stop talking about it. It's a passion I have. I love reading about it. So I'm sharing that to the world, because whatever you're interested in, or whatever you like talking about, or whatever you have knowledge on, someone out there in the world also cares. And YouTube gets hundreds of millions of views. So anyone is also going to have the same interest as you. There's going to be someone out there and you're getting money to just talk about that. So why wouldn't you do that? Whether you're a football player, whether you do real estate, whether you're a basketballer, whether you're an engineer, just make videos about anything. And if you have different interests, like I said, like anime, like this, like that, speak about it. You're getting money for free. That's how you get money on the side. If you need help, my school program is in the description below. I can help you get to 1,000 subscribers. If you have a channel already, you don't know how to pick it up, I can also help you. It's really simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Anyone can make money. Whatever you're doing, you should have a YouTube channel on the side as well. And if not, you're probably just dumb, because you can spend 30 minutes a week. You can spend 10 minutes a week, an hour a week, however much time or little time that you have. You should just do it on the side. And it's free views on what you do, free eyeballs and free money. So I also do coaching if you need help, but really it's that easy. Don't overcomplicate it. Thank you.